Bail has been set this morning for a Mapleton man charged with second-degree murder in the death of his father.
Bail was set at $4 million without conditions for 47-year-old Troy Blaine Almheld. An updated criminal complaint says that Troy's father, 71-year-old Blaine Almheld, died of blood loss caused by multiple stab wounds. The medical examiner also found multiple blunt force injuries, including several contusions to the face, fractures of the nasal bones, and hemorrhage in the eye and the head. Court documents say that Troy Almheld crashed his father's car in a ditch south of Mankato early Tuesday morning near Terrace View Golf Course. A deputy then went to Olmsted's apartment in Mapleton and found his father lying on the floor covered in blood. The deputy also found a kitchen knife at the scene. A witness telling law enforcement that they could hear arguing from the Almheld's apartment sometime after midnight that night. Troy Almheld's next court appearance is set for June the 12th.